Super excited. Got a little present. This is a super duper dope thing I'm gonna install on my car. I have, oh my god, I have the brake covers. That's gonna make my car look super doper. Super excited. Oh my gosh, this is so dope, you guys. A new mod. Where I work at, super nice. Honda, super sick. Check out this. This is our sport touring, super modded up. Check those wheels out. And you see these brakes right here? The brake covers, I just got those today, so these are super sick. And I got the rear one, so I'll be making a video very soon about the brake pads. I mean brake covers. Look at this, super sick. Custom wheels. That lower trim right there is so sexy. They even got the roof. I mean the sunroof mod is super sick. The owner here, she knows how to decorate cars. And check out this. I said this in the last video, but this is like one of the dopest. Super modded up. Check those wheels out. Super sick. That's super sick. Oh yeah, check it out. Nice facility. Yeah, your boy is finally off work. I'm super excited. Today I got me, today I end up getting the brake covers that Honda strictly makes. It's no aftermarket, it's straight from Honda. It's a brake cover which allows the car to look super doper on the wheels. It looks like Brembo brakes in some sort, but it's awesome. It's super awesome. I'm super grateful to have it. I'm gonna show you guys when I get inside the house what it is and how it looks, but it's fucking awesome. I don't know where I'm gonna install it. One of the service managers, he told me that he would do it on one of his brakes sometime next week, either Tuesday or Wednesday. He said we can get together. He's gonna show me how to do it. I kind of already got kind of an idea of how to make it. I took some pictures to put in my Mento of the hatchback they got on the showroom floor, how it looks with the brakes. So I took a picture, so I'm gonna find out how to do it. I might do it tomorrow after work. It all depends, because over there is a flatland where I park at over here at my house. This is not a great idea to work here, so I'm gonna probably just do it over there at my job. I might do it before he even give me the chance to work with it, or I might be patient and just do it Tuesday. So let me know what you guys think I should do. Should I just wait and make sure the person that knows what he's doing with the brake covers help me out, or I should just try on my own? But he says a certain way you got to be tricky with it, so I don't know how it goes, but it's super dope. I'm super excited. I'm hella happy to get it. It's super awesome. And one of the special mods that a lot of you guys been telling me about is finally coming. They just notified me that it will be delivered this Saturday to the house, so it's gonna be a lot of installing. I don't want to do it all at one time. I don't want to put both on one time. I want to actually have 2 different videos to do that. So yeah, so I'm trying to figure it out, but you guys definitely gonna love you guys are definitely gonna love it. So I'm gonna show you what it is when I get inside, and it's fucking dope. So inside, so this is basically what it is. Super sick. I'm hella excited to get this, and this is how it's gonna look. It says Honda. It's no aftermarket, it's straight from Honda, and it's gonna be super dope. So the manager said he would help me out, and this one goes in the front. It's gonna be super sick, you guys, but just want to show you guys this. Just a quick little video, but it's time for me to cool down, unwind, get ready to lay down and get ready for tomorrow. But hope you guys like this video. It was very short, nothing super special. I just wanted to show you guys the special gift I got. So yeah, it's gonna be super dope. What else? I might do a car review tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. So hopefully you guys have a good night. You guys rest, sleep, get to sleep. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and hope you guys have a good day. Tomorrow another video come. Today was just a short video, but I just want to show you guys the gift. But good night.